Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change Facebook password. I will show you how you can change it on both your PC and on mobile. If you want to change a password on your PC or laptop, simply go to a browser and then you have to search for Facebook. Then the Facebook will open, make sure you're logged in. Then you have to click onto your profile icon and then you have to click on settings and privacy, then settings, and after that the settings will open. On the left side you will see the option for account center. Simply click on this option, and after that information related to your account will open. You will see this option for password and security. Click onto this one, and then you will see the option for change password. Click onto it and choose your account. Then it will send a verification code on your email address. You have to simply go there and just verify it, paste that code here. Once you get verified, then you have to add your current password and then you have to create a new password as well. In the new password, make sure you create it unique, and once you confirm it, make sure you add the same password in both. After that, the password will get changed. And if you want to change the password on mobile phone, then you have to make sure you have the Facebook app. Simply open it up and make sure you're logged in. Then you have to click onto your profile image or profile icon, and then you have to scroll down and then you will see the option for settings and privacy. Click onto it, then click on settings, and after that click on account center, then click on password and security, and then click on change password. Choose your profile, and after that add your current password and your new password, confirm it, and after that your password will be changed. So that's how you can change your password of Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.